A shocking disclosure. Scientists revealed a large ozone hole over the tropics. What's the story? The ozone layer is sort of a belt around the Earth. It protects us from the sun's ultraviolet radiations. In 1985, scientists discovered a massive ozone hole over the Antarctica. The hole grew deeper with each passing year. This was a wake-up call because UV radiations causes skin cancer and cataracts and weaken immune systems. The problem was chlorofluorocarbons that were destroying the ozone layer. And back then we used a lot of it, for example in aerosols, refrigerators and in air conditioners. How do chlorofluorocarbons destroy the ozone layer? Chlorine is a natural threat to ozone. Chlorofluorocarbons has chlorine in it. High up in the ozone layer, when UV radiation hits a chlorofluorocarbon molecule, it causes one chlorine atom to break away. This chlorine binds with ozone to produce oxygen and chlorine monoxide, thus destroying the ozone molecule. Oxygen further hits the chlorine monoxide molecule, freeing the chlorine atom to continue destroying more ozone molecules. Thus, a chain reaction is formed that destroys the ozone layer. To prevent depletion, Montreal Protocol was designed in 1987 to phase out the chemicals. As a result, chlorofluorocarbons were replaced by hydrofluorocarbons. The entire world needed to make a big change, and it did. But a new problem emerged. These hydrofluorocarbons had a very high global warming potential. To reduce hydrofluorocarbons that were not ozone depleting but had a global greenhouse effect, the Montreal Protocol was amended in 2016 to include hydrofluorocarbons, and now they are being phased out too. The bottom line is that the ozone hole is now healing. Montreal Protocol is the most successful environmental agreement in human history. Every single country eventually signed the protocol. However, the recent disclosure by scientists of a large year-round ozone hole in the ozone layer over the tropics is cause for great concern. It can affect 50% of the world's population. It seems more needs to be done. The current discovery calls for additional research into ozone depletion. The world needs to come together again to prevent this environmental catastrophe.